is Gail with Traders Help Desk, and in this video I just wanted to show a couple of the Forex pairs. As I mentioned yesterday, the euro dollar was overextended to the upside, and a retracement back to this ATR was anticipated. It's almost there at the moment, and you can also see that the stochastics is trying to go up on the 15-minute chart. The one issue that I see with it going up at the moment is even though we've had volume divergence on the lows, buyers did not step into the market. They tried to, but then sellers took over. So this may continue down to about 1970. So we'll have to wait and see, but right now I'm not seeing any indications that it's going to go up from this ATR. Of course, that can always change. Now, in addition to that, we see the same thing that we saw on the euro is actually occurring on the British pound right now. You can see that we are retracing back down to the ATR on the 240-minute chart. Now, the most likely scenario is this will pull back again to the ATR on the 15-minute chart before it continues down to this ATR. You also see that the USD Swiss franc and the USCAD are both oversold, and now they are reversing. Will they continue up? That's a really good question. If we go and we look at the USD Swiss franc, we did have a retracement, and it's coming up to the congestion dot up here right at 97.70. Now, when it gets there, more than likely, it will actually retrace. This is your congestion dot that coincides with your 240-minute chart. And what will happen is more than likely it's going to find resistance, and it's going to need to test for support. This is also supported with the stochastics being overextended on the 15-minute chart with volume divergence on the highs. You also see on the 60-minute, it is almost to the point of being overbought. And again, more than likely it will get to this congestion dot, but then it will need to test for support in order to continue up. If we go and look at the USDCAD, we can see pretty much the same scenario, in that we're in this congestion zone right now on the 60-minute chart. It's already tested the ATR. Anticipation would be that it will break through this line of congestion dots. You also see that you have trend divergence here. What we don't see is buyers stepping into the market, and that would be critical at this area, is for buyers to step in and take control in order to push price higher.